If you're not yet a member of the Slay Gang, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and mash that subscribe button for me, and let's get into these travel braids, honey. Okay, so with this style, it's half travel braids and half box braids. So what I did was I did 4 rows of traditional box braids in the back, and then with the very top row of braids before I started the travel braids, I did a row of knotless braids. So I have a total of 4 rows of traditional and then 1 row of knotless, and then that's when I start the travel braids, which are just the feed-in braids. And I'm using easy braid hair in the inch 26, and I actually liked how this hair came out with this braid hair. Like, the hair is really full, so it was like full all the way to the ends. So I really like that. So it gave this braid look a really full look, but it wasn't like too thick. It was just right. So yeah, this easy braid hair, y'all, it's nice. I might add it to my list of little hairs that I like to braid with. But yeah, that's the hair that I use to braid with. And also, if you're interested in purchasing the Slay band that I have on my arm, I do have them for sale on my website, which I'm going to have in the description box. So I just showed you how I start my traditional braids off, and yeah, I'm just going to let the video play now. So this is the row where I like to do the knotless braids. This is the top row that I was talking about. So I like to do knotless braids on this row because it makes it lay flat, like absolutely flat with no bulk. Now I realized when I was doing traditional braids on this row, it would put a little hump at the top, which I did not like. So I was like, okay, from now on, I'll just do knotless at that very top row, and it came out so flat. So I'll just be doing it like that from now on. And I really, really, really encourage y'all to try it like that. If you don't know how to do knotless braids, I did slow it down so you can see exactly how I'm feeding the hair in for the knotless braid. But yeah, y'all, try it like this. And look at how full these braids are. Like, this easy braid hair is pretty nice, y'all. And for this style, I needed the top to be even on both sides. So I just went ahead and split it down the middle. And then what I'm going to do is just work from side to side. So basically, when you're doing your feed-ins, you just want to make sure you cleaning the parts so that they can be nice and crispy looking. And I basically just feed the hair in the same way that I do my knotless braids. Basically, when you get the hang of it, it just comes naturally. I don't really know how to explain it, so I hope you can just get the hang of it by watching me do it. So I was really happy about the way these braids turned out. As y'all can see, they came out so nice, so full. That row of knotless definitely helped with the flatness, and it just looks so good. So I'm gonna set it with the foam, and then I'm gonna spray it with some spritz. I dipped it off camera, but yeah, y'all are gonna see the end results. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Keep on watching though, because I'm gonna show exactly like how it looks at the end. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. We are on the road to 20K, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so, and join the Slay Gang.